These Egg Spinach Mini Bites will be your new go-to for a healthy, quick breakfast. Start with washing your spinach, cutting your spinach, spray air fryer cups with avocado oil. You'll need 2 large eggs. Mix those 2 large eggs, 1 egg in each cup. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Add half a teaspoon of roasted garlic powder. Add 1 tablespoon of yellow onion. Add fresh spinach. Add mozzarella cheese. Add tomatoes. I prefer them sliced. Add fresh spinach again. And end with mozzarella cheese. Place in your air fryer. Set to 330 Fahrenheit and cook for 10 to 13 minutes. Let cool for a few minutes and serve with homemade pico de gallo and avocado. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. A great way to eat in moderation while still enjoying bold, delicious flavors, and it comes out yummy-licious. Links to the air fryer and the air fryer cups are in the description. Until next time.